Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you signing out or logging out of Gmail account from PC or laptop. So you just have to open your Gmail on your laptop or your PC, and then you have to click your profile at the top right corner. Now once you tap your profile, you will see there an option sign out. So what you're going to do is you just have to click that. So tap your profile and then click sign out. Now it will not sign out your account automatically. So what you're going to do here once you tap this is you have to confirm that it's you who's making changes on your Gmail account. So tap confirm, and then after that, what you're going to do next is you have to simply click this remove an account. So you can just simply sign out, but if you really want to totally sign out or log out from this PC, from this computer, you have to click this remove an account right here and you have to select that email or Gmail again. Tap this, and then after that, once you tap this, you just have to simply wait for a couple of seconds, and then what you're going to do here is you have to wait till this Gmail account disappears on this screen. So to sign out, you just have to click sign out, but to totally log out from this PC, or if you want to remove this account in this PC, you just have to click remove. Then here they will ask for your password to make sure that it's you who's making changes. Enter your password, tap next, and that's it. So if you want to suggest a topic or tutorial, please do comment down below and please do subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.